Hey guys, it's Mr. Shu here. Today I'll be reviewing my favorite Kammok products, such as the Rude Double Hammock, the Python 15 straps, the extremely versatile Kuhli weather shelter, and the Dragonfly Insect Net. These are some of my favorite Kammok products. In case you didn't know, Kammok is an extremely high quality brand that offers a lifetime guarantee. Let's start with the Rude Double. The Kammok Rude Double hammock is the softest hammock or most comfortable hammock I've ever experienced, and that speaks a lot. It weighs 18 ounces and it comes in this pouch. This pouch is waterproof and it's attached, so it functions as a pocket when you set it up. It has a capacity of 500 pounds because of the Gravitas fabric. That makes it super soft, super strong, and super comfortable. Also, it's super light. As I said, 18 ounces, including the carabiners. And these carabiners, they are amazing. Like, the things that it's attached to naturally slide into its strongest point, and without a hitch. Like, I've had 3 people in the hammock, actually 4, and it still worked out. I highly recommend you to get this. Retails at $79 US on their website, but they have great discount sales like the one I got mine at, which is 50% off. Next up, we have the Python 15 straps. They're 15 feet long, each of them. And so that means combined with the Rude Double, you can hang it over 40 feet apart, as the Rude Double is 10 feet long. There are 33 loops to adjust the hammock tightness, and what's great is that it's tree friendly, so it's good for leave no trace if you're into that like I am. They can hold a 500-pound capacity, so paired with the Rude Double is perfect. And there are reflective strips on the straps. That means in the dark you won't crash into them with your headlamp shining. The stuff sack has snaps to clip onto your hammock loops or bag, or like your camping bag when it's empty, so hopefully you won't lose them. And total weight is 11 ounces. They retail at about $39. Yeah. So if you got the Rude Double, I'd highly suggest you opt in for the longer straps because they're a lot more versatile. You won't lose anything getting the longer ones. Anyways, that's what I think about these straps. Really easy setup actually. So I'll show you later in the video. Next up, we have, drumroll please, the Kuhli weather shelter. It's by far the largest pouch, but as you can see, that's the stake section of it. So it includes stakes, J stakes, in case you didn't know, I'll point those out later. But the bag has snaps like the Python to clip on to other things. Also, it's a nice drawstring, and so let's get into it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the bag I think is waterproof like the hammock, and the tarp is made of 40D ripstop nylon. That doesn't mean it won't be penetrated, it just means it won't create a huge tear after it's been penetrated. So it's super easy fixes, super light, and definitely my favorite tarp that I've ever owned. I've had Enos also, so that speaks a lot. Here's the string pocket. It's a great feature, so you won't ever get your string tangled with other things, especially when you're putting it away, or even when you are like using it. Here's the J sticks, a closer look. And what's great about these is they have a knotless setup, so that's actually a huge advantage to other things. It's 0 knots, so it's super easy to pack up. So it's 12 feet long in case you needed the exact length, and I think it's 10 feet wide. But yeah, that should be right. So check out the setup videos on Kammok, and they will show you plenty of ways to do cool setups that can suit you. And yeah, that's just about it for the Kuhli weather shelter. finally, we have the Dragonfly Insect Net. This is super important when you're camping in the tropics and there's tons of mosquitoes, or pretty much anywhere in the world where there's mosquitoes. Those nasty things that you don't want to get bitten by when you're sleeping or just hanging out. It's actually the lightest of all of them, even though it's not the smallest bag, because it's made of this great mesh. This is what it looks like. I'll show you more later on in the video, but some great things are that the pouch is attached, so that means you will never lose it, and it also acts as a pocket on the bottom. Also at the top, there is kind of like a ridge line where you can hang things from, just good for organization, and there is a zipper that you can use to get in and out of, so it's not like you have to uncinch or do anything crazy to get out, so super easy. So right here, I'll be setting up all of these things. So first, you'd set up the hammock and with the straps. As you probably could have seen earlier, it's so easy, you just thread it through. And then you put the dragonfly over it before you completely seal up the hammock. And now you can just drape the tarp over, start staking it in. There's no knots actually, so it's hard to explain it, but we'll figure it out. So here is a closer look at the tarp. I really love it. It's so light. So yeah. And as you can see, that's the strap. I just threaded it through, and those are the reflector strips. Also the reflective guy lines for the tarp, as I didn't say that earlier, but here's the insect net and the zipper, and as you can see, there's the pockets. So the bottom pocket with the insect net, you could just put your shoes in, or any other light accessory. So yeah, the zippers, they're double-sided, so you don't get trapped on the inside. Some people might be scared of that. And yeah, so I'll walk around the outside. So you might see like that there's some stakes in the ground. It's pretty hard to see, but if you can pick that up, it's like guying the tarp out. But yeah, I love those stakes. And I'll get in the hammock just so you can see. It'll be pretty I guess like disorienting, because but it's hard to film, but as you can see, the insect mesh is super see-through, and yeah, this hammock has plenty of room for me. I'm almost 6 foot, so it's pretty good. So just getting in, and yeah, so if you didn't notice, I just cinched the insect mesh, so all of this, 0 knots, perfect thing, because it's super simple when setting up. And yeah, that's just my view. You can obviously change how the tarp is if you want to see something easier, like make it one-sided. I forgot what that's called, but anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this, and please support the channel by giving a like and telling other people about it.